Hi everyone, I'm Angela from the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip of the week for you. Today's tech tip is going to be on Google Forms. I'll be showing you how to import forms and how to create branching forms. When one wants to work with Google Forms, we need to start by getting a new Google form, which can be done by going to your Drive and pushing new. It can be done through the waffle, but the quickest way to get to a new form is by going to the Omnibar and typing forms.new. Instead of having to start over from scratch each time you create a form, you can import questions you've used before. To do so, you'll click over here on the Import Questions button. Find the form that you are wanting to use. You can also search for it. Choose the form, click Select, and then you choose the questions you'd like to choose. School type, student name, school, or you can select all if you're reusing all of them. And then you choose Import Question. And like magic, those questions are here. You can then choose to edit those without messing them up on your other form. But just a quick way to save yourself some time. Our next step is going to be how you can use form branching to create a self-checking formative assessment. So to do this, you start with your form and you'll have your first question. And then you will have multiple choice questions. You might have one correct answer and then two incorrect. So once I have my question one and my options, I will go ahead and create another section. And this will be my reteach. Reteach for question one, which might include a YouTube video that goes over the topic, or an infographic, or even just something for the kids to read. And then I would actually duplicate question one and put it again in this section. Now moving on to question two. Now, as this goes, it's just going to go straight through. But if I come back up here, I can now create a branch because if my students get the question one correct, they don't need to see it again. So I'm going to change where you go based on your answer. So for this one, I come to the more options or three dots and show the go-to section based on answer. If students get the correct answer, then they will go on to question two. But if students get the incorrect answer, they need to go on to their reteach for question one. And I would set that up for however many questions I have. And now when students go through here, if they choose the incorrect answer, when they click next, they'll get their reteach and a chance to get it correct. And then if they get it correct, they go on to question two. This same branching can be used to create choose your own adventures where kids get to choose different stories. And here is an example of a way you can plan that out. I hope you and your students have some fun finding some creative ways to use Google Forms in the classroom. And if you need help, please reach out to the Teach Tech Grow team.